In this video, we will learn if Sofi's personal loan is a good idea. First, let's look at the Sofi's personal loan. Sofi offers competitive interest rates and flexible loan terms. You can borrow an amount ranging from $5,000 to $50,000 with no fees for organisation, late payments or prepayments. This can save you money in the long run. Next, Sofi also offers unemployment protection, meaning if you lose your job or temporarily unemployed, your payments will still additionally pass. They will provide great customer support and educational resources to make you more informed for your financial decisions in the future. However, there are some cons to consider. SoFi requires a good credit score, typically 680 or higher, so if your credit score is less than stellar, you might not qualify for the best rates. Finally, if you meet the credit requirements and need a personal loan for things like depth consideration, home improvement or major expenses, SoFi can be a solid option due to its low rates and helpful benefits. Just make sure to assess your ability to repay before committing to a loan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.